Good morning, students. So in this particular lecture we are going to solve two questions from practice set 1.2. okay, so this is the practice set from chapter number 1, similarity, and in this lecture we will be solving question number 4 and question number 7. Okay, so to begin with question number 4, the question is, measures of some angles in the figure are given. Prove that AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. Okay, so a figure is given, a triangle ABC. Okay, in this triangle there is one segment, okay, PQ. The angle of APQ is 60 degree and the angle of ABC is also 60 degree. What we have to prove? We have to prove that the ratio of AP upon PB is equal to the ratio of AQ upon QC. Okay, so we know in a particular triangle the ratio of the remaining sides is going to equal only and only if the segment which is creating the ratios or which is dividing the sides is parallel to the other side. Okay, किसी भी ट्रायंगल में रिमेनिंग साइड्स के जो रेशियोज़ हैं वो सेम कब होंगे? जब जो सेगमेंट है PQ वो क्या होगा? BC से पैरेलल होगा तभी. सो सबसे पहले हमें क्या प्रूफ करना होगा कि जो PQ है वो साइड BC को पैरेलल है. ओके, सो वी कैन सी हियर दैट एंगल APQ is equal to 60 degree. Okay, then angle ABC is also 60 degree. That means both the angles are congruent. So angle APQ is equal to angle ABC. Okay, now in this figure we can see that angle APQ and angle ABC are angle APQ and angle ABC are corresponding angles. What type of angles those are? Those are the corresponding angles. Okay, now so these two angles, angle APQ and angle ABC, are corresponding angles and both the corresponding angles are equal. So we know that if corresponding angles are congruent, that is equal, then the adjacent sides are parallel to each other. So whenever corresponding angles are congruent, so the sides which have created the angles are going to be parallel to each other. So in this case, therefore PQ is parallel to BC. So this segment PQ, it is parallel to the segment BC. Now if PQ, that is segment PQ, parallel to side BC of triangle ABC, so in this case we can use basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so basic proportionality theorem. So by this theorem we can write AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC, and this is the required answer. Okay, so we can write hence proved. Okay, so this way we can prove that the ratio which is given AP upon PB and AQ upon QC are equal to each other. Now I will head towards the another question, that is question number 7. You can see this figure. In this figure, AB is parallel to DC and DC is parallel to FE. That means all these three lines are parallel to each other. Okay, the dimension of BD is given, that is 8, dimension of DF is 4, AC is 12 and CE is given as X. Okay, so we have to find the value of this X and the complete dimension of AE. Okay, so we know that BA or AB is parallel to DC is parallel to FE. So all these three lines are parallel. Okay, and BF and AE are the transversals, So therefore, using property of three parallel lines and transversal, using property of three parallel lines and transversal, we can write BD upon AC is equals to DF upon CE. Okay, by using the property of three parallel lines and transversal, we can write that AB upon DF is equal to AC upon CE. So we have the value of BD, that is 8, the value of AC is 12, equal to DF is 4 and CE is X. We have to find the value of X now. So 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So we get 2 by 3 is equals to 4 by X. Okay. So this X is dividing in the RHS, it is going to multiply. So we get 2X is equals to, and this 3 is dividing in the LHS, it will be multiplied on the RHS. So 4 into 3. Okay, so we get 2X equal to 12, X equal to 12 upon 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. Therefore, X is equal to 6. Okay, this is the value of X. Now we know that AC is nothing but AE is nothing but AC plus CE. AE का complete dimension क्या है? AC plus CE है. So AE is equals to AC plus CE. AC क्या है हमारा 12, CE क्या है हमारा X और X की वैल्यू क्या है हमारी 6 है. So 12 plus 6 क्या हो गया 18. So AE is equals to क्या मिला हम लोग को 18. Okay, so this is the way to solve this questions. Now your homework is going to be, you have to solve question number 3, 5 and 6 of practice set 1.2. Okay, in the next lecture we will solve the remaining questions. Thank you.